Yo, mobile gamers! Misplay's been around for a while, promising rewards for playing games, but in 2024, is it still worth your time? Let's dive into the Mistplay madness and see if it's all sunshine and rainbows or just a storm of disappointment. Buckle up, fam. It's time to get real about Mistplay. Number 1. The good. Play games, earn points. The core concept is simple. Play games, earn points, redeem for rewards. It's fun to discover new games and get rewarded for your playtime. Variety. Mistplay offers a wide range of games, from casual puzzlers to hardcore RPGs. There's something for everyone, keeping things fresh and exciting. Free to play. No upfront investment, just download the app and start playing. It's a low-risk way to potentially earn some extra bucks, legitimate rewards. Mistplay offers real rewards like gift cards, not some shady crypto scam. You can actually cash out your points for tangible goodies. Number 2. The not-so-good. Slow grind. Earning enough points for a decent reward can take a long time. You're not going to get rich playing Mistplay. It's more like pocket change. Point fluctuations. The points you earn per game can vary wildly, making it hard to predict how long it'll take to reach your goal. Limited reward options. While the rewards are real, the variety isn't huge. Mainly gift cards, not direct cash or crypto options. Annoying ads. Let's be honest, Mistplay is ad-heavy. Prepare for some interruptions while you play and browse the app. Number 3. The final verdict. Mistplay is fun for casual gamers who enjoy trying new games and want a little extra motivation. But don't expect to get rich quick. It's a slow grind with limited reward options. If you're looking for serious income, there are better options out there. Bonus tip. Focus on games you genuinely enjoy, not just the ones with the highest point payouts. Have fun, explore, and let the rewards be a bonus, not the main goal. So, there you have it, the Mistplay mystery unveiled. It's not a gold mine, but it can be a fun way to earn some extra goodies while playing games you might actually enjoy. Now go forth, conquer those levels. And remember, it's all about the journey, not just the destination and the gift cards. Happy gaming, fam! Thanks for watching.